Okay, just a minute. Daddy will show you where the door is.
I don't know where the door is.
It's over here. Come around. Come around here, Oliver.
Oh, it goes around this way.
Whoops.
Look at this, dude. Okay, look out.
Wait a minute.
Door's over here.
Oh, you.
Over here. Come on.
Daddy turned it around. Do you like it, Oliver? You like the choo-choo? Daddy's going to put the rest on. Get out and show me your choo-choo dance. Come on out. You dancing? Hi, Oliver. Hi. Whoa, careful. Do the choo-choo dance. Is that a cool choo-choo? Can you wave to Mommy out the window? Hi. Huh? What's a choo-choo sound like?
Whistle head.
You got a whistle head? You like it? Wave out the window. Here, Oliver. Look. Look, here's a special door. See? Crawl through the tunnel and you can come out the door. See? Look, here's the door.
Flag.
Does it look like a flag?
Hey, buddy.
Choo-choo! There's Daddy.